Hi everyone, I don't want to waste anyone's time, so if you have already been investing through Hedge, then you probably won't get anything new out of this video. But do keep an eye out for my future videos. I got some plan to come out soonish. This video is for new investors only, particularly the ones without a Hedge account yet. I will show you how to get free $10 for signing up with Hedge. Now this video is gonna just be the sign up process, and I will buy some shares just to demonstrate how it works. I won't go into details about the platform. I have already done that, and I have compared it with Stake, which is another DIY platform that lets you trade American stocks. So if you're interested in the pros and cons about Hedge, then I highly recommend you check that video out and then decide if you want to sign up with Stake or Hedge. But if you're going to sign up with Hedge, I will take you through the sign up process and how to get $10 while doing so. And it's very simple. All you have to do is click on the first link in the description. Then you will be brought to this page. David has invited you to join Hedge. So to get your free $10, it's very simple. All you have to do is deposit $100 into your Hedge account after signing up. Then you will get $10. I will now take you through that process because I will be signing up on behalf of a family member. So go claim your top up. Type in your email address and a password. I will blur this out because I don't want her email shown to the public. I'm going to unsubscribe to the weekly newsletters and go join Hedge. Now you have to go to your email and confirm your email. So the email you're going to get will look something like this. Just click on the link that comes with the email. Your email's been verified and you sign in again with the password that you have just created. I'm going to go keep me signed in and go sign in. Now it's going to ask you to confirm your identity. For this, you either need your New Zealand driving license or your New Zealand passport. And it should take you less than 3 minutes to do so. Let's go through that process. So it's going to ask you for your personal details, and it should be the one that shows up on your ID. So it's going to ask for your name, your cell phone number, date of birth, and your text detail. I will quickly fill this out and go next. This is where you choose either your driving license or passport to confirm your identity. I'm going to go with driving license. So you enter your driving license number, your version, and that should be it. Go next. It's going to ask for employment details for anti-money laundering purposes. Go employed. And choose the best industry you can. Go next. Again, it's going to ask for more personal details for anti-money laundering purposes. So you put in how much roughly you earn. Go next. And next, they're going to ask for some details. I reckon this part is just Hedge being a little bit nosy. So it's going to ask where you get your money from for investing, how often you're going to deposit money into Hedge, how much you're going to deposit into Hedge every year, and in the past year, how many times have you traded in the share market? So those kind of questions, I reckon Hedge is just being nosy, but I'm going to go ahead and quickly answer them. Go next. And finally, you type in your signature, which is just your full name. And this is one thing that I forgot to mention. They will deduct $1.50 in US dollars, and that's just a one-off fee for tax purposes. Both Hedge and Stake do this. So it's just a one-off payment. Don't worry too much about that. Go I agree, and then type in your full name. And let's go open account. Now it's just testing your ID. You've been successfully verified. Now this is the page where it'll show all of your investments. There's nothing right now because we haven't invested anything yet. And to top up your account, just come up to the top right here where it shows the available amount you can invest. Click on it and then go deposit money. So in the deposit money page, it shows you what the estimated currency exchange rate will be. And yes, you can make money this way as well. So if you deposit money in right now and wait until the New Zealand dollar gets weaker or the American dollar gets stronger and you withdraw the money, you will make money that way. And also with Hedge, you will earn interest while keeping your money in your Hedge account. Now, since this is your first deposit, the money has to come from a bank account that is under the same name as what you signed in as. So whatever name that you had on your New Zealand driver's license or your New Zealand passport, your bank account has to have the same name for your first deposit. After your first deposit, it can come from any bank account. And it says that down here in the first bullet point. Your first deposit must come from a bank account in the same name as your Hedge account. Now to do that, all you have to do is do a bank transfer to this account, or you can just search up their name because they are registered bill payer. And don't forget this here, that's your unique reference. You will have a unique reference as well. I'm gonna go ahead and transfer that money, and I will see you back here once that is all done. Alright, now when you send the money, you will get 2 emails. First one saying Hedge has received the money and at what rate it'll be converted as. Second email will come when the money is finished processing and is in your Hedge account ready to invest. So if we come back to our Hedge account, you see $62 ready to invest. And at the top, you have a countdown till the market opens, but you don't have to wait until then to put an order in. You can place an order at any time. There's nothing in our portfolio right now, but if we go look at our wallet, come down a bit, you'll see a rebate being processed. And this is the free $10 you will get for using my link. Alright, so now it's been about 2 days and you will get another email saying that money has landed in your Hedge account. And this is the money you will get for using my link. So if you go back to the Hedge account, you will see that the amount of money you have has increased. And if you go down a little bit further, you'll see that the rebate has been processed and you got $6.44 extra in US dollar amount, which is $10 in New Zealand. So that took about 2 days to process. I am now going to switch to my account and show you what's this like buying stocks with Hedge. The reason why I'm switching to my account is because, well, this isn't my account. Plus, $68 is very little to invest, especially when there is a $3 transaction fee, because $3 out of $68 comes up to about 4.41% of your investment. And don't forget, you had to pay another $3 when you're selling. So that's a lot. If you're investing small amounts like this, then I suggest using Stake because they charge 1% of what you deposit and 1% when you withdraw, but they don't have any transaction fees, so you can buy and sell as many times as you like. If you invest in larger amount, let's say $1,000, then the $3 transaction fee would come to about only 0.3%, so Hedge would work out cheaper for you. If you want to sign up with Stake, then use the second link in the description. If you use that link, then you would get a free stock. And there's no reason why you can't have an account with both of them. All my small investments and dollar cost averaging is done through Stake. And my somewhat larger investments and longer term investments is done through Hedge. Now let's see what's it like buying and selling through Hedge. Okay, here I am in my account and the market is now open, and let's go add something to my portfolio. So to buy something, come up here to where these 3 lines are and then go browse shares. Over at this page, you can search for a stock through categories, and down a bit further, you have the most popular stocks. But I already know what I want to buy, so I'm just going to go search for it. And I'm going to type in the ticker symbol, which is IHI, and here it is, it pops up. Click on it, go down, it says a little bit about the company, and when you're ready to buy, just hit buy. Then it'll give you the option of buy now, auto invest, or buy when it reaches a certain price. I'm going to go buy now, type in the amount you want to invest. It's going to show you the fee, and then go place order. And that's it. You now own stocks of that company, or ETF in this case. And if you go to our portfolio, you will see it here. Thanks for watching. The links for your free $10 and or free stock is in the description below. If you have any questions, ask them in the comment section, and see you guys in the next video.